you doing?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Today we are going to do something super fun and
What is
super
that?
fun and funny, I think.
Okay.
Okay, we are
Yeah.
going to have an experiment about yesterday animals we have told you about. Do you still remember what animals?
Yeah, good.
Snails and
And
earthworms. Okay, do you remember what kind of animal snail and earthworm is? Earthworm is.
they are the animals that don't have backbone.
Yes, they don't have backbone. So those animals who don't have backbone, what do we call them?
Yeah, good. What's it? Invertebrate.
Very good. Invertebrate.
Yes.
What about you, Miss Mia? Miss Mia and Miss Nova?
Human.
We have backbone, right?
Do you think human have
Yeah.
backbone?
We
You
have
can touch?
backbone.
Yeah,
Touch
it's
your
hard.
backbone. Do you have? You don't have backbone?
Of course, I don't have it.
Impossible. All human
Letter
beings, we have backbone. Okay, so we call animals who have backbone
The
is
creatures that have backbones, we call them
vertebrate.
vertebrate.
Okay, so no backbone, invertebrate.
Invertebrate.
Have backbone,
Vertebrate. And now
Okay.
we talk about invertebrate.
Okay, there are still some animals that don't have backbone. Earthworms, snail, slug,
And the other animal.
and some other animal. Okay, what are we going to do now? Is
I cannot
me
wait.
too. I'm so excited about this. What do you have to do first? You have to prepare a makeup paper or
Yeah.
makeup plastic. This is transparent. It's hard for you to see. Yeah, like
Clear.
this. It's like
So I can see you
plastic.
from here.
Yeah. If you don't have makeup paper, you can use any plastic. Okay, but transparent plastic like this. There are many things that have transparent.
Transparent.
Yeah. Okay.
Why we do use the transparent?
So they can see the movement of this thing.
Oh yeah, we are going to see how do they move.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
What is that? Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da!
Wow.
Still remember what is this? It's snail. Okay, but I have two snail here. Ta-da!
Yes.
So to make it more fun, we are going to see how they move, and we will let them race.
Wow,
Okay.
it will be fun.
They walk so slow, super slow. So first, you have to put all the snails here on the makeup plastic.
Uh-oh.
Okay, and then we will let them walk. Okay, we race for them. Who will win? Who will Okay guys, let's see who will walk first and who will move to the finish.
Go, go, go. Go, go, snail. Go, go, snail.
This is the finish line, okay? Go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Look at that. How they walk. Wow, start to move. Ooh.
Look at that. Can you see their body? Ooh.
It is working. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, it almost fall.
Oh
No.
Oh no! You have to
No,
move.
you will fall. Don't go there.
While it walks, it leaves the trail.
Yeah,
Why, miss?
because of the slime
Oh,
of
yeah, but
his
was
of
it
its
something
body.
like mucus?
Yeah, it's like a mucus.
Yeah. Ooh, it leaves the trail. Can you see it, kids?
Hey, it wants to say hi to you guys. Hi. Ooh, look at that. It's their body that they use to walk. Okay, good job, snail.
Come on, Snail. I think it will win. Go, go. Ooh. Go, 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 go.
Wow.
Can you see how do the snail move, miss?
Yeah,
I cannot
look at
see.
that. With their body. Can you move with your body? Try to walk, try to move like a
Like a
snail.
snail?
It's hard,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, but for snail, it's easy because
It's
that's the way they
Yeah.
move. We have legs to move, but they use their body to move. Look at that.
Wow.
This
You
is the
see?
trail
Wow,
from the
yeah.
sand. Yeah, actually this is sand, but
And down
if
there
you
is-
touch it, it's so
It's wet.
sticky
Yeah.
and slimy.
Slimy.
Oh,
on, go.
Go, go.
It's close.
Go, go, snail. Go, go, snail. Here is the finish line. Can you see the blue line? Yeah. Little bit more, snail. Come on, don't stop.
Okay guys, since they move so slow, super slow, I think we cannot wait for them to reach the finish because
Yeah.
this video will be forever. So I think you can try. Oh, it comes out again. Ding, 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 ding. So I think you can try this experiment at home
Yeah.
and tell me about your snail race.
Yeah.
Okay then. See you tomorrow. Say bye bye to the snail.
Bye.
Bye snail. Too bad this snail doesn't move
Oh,
at
no.
all. Bye bye snail. See you in the finish line.